Hey, this is just a quick video to show you how the silent disco works. When setting up the silent disco, it's really easy. First, untangle the wires from the audio transmitter and plug it into the wall. The lights will come on the front. Then make sure to set it to channel A. If you're operating 2 base stations, make sure that the second one is set to B. Then plug the aux cable into a computer, iPad or phone. Remember, some new phones do not have this socket, so make sure that you have an adapter on hand. Set the volume to 2 or 3 clicks under max. To turn on the headphones, hold down the on button, and if it doesn't connect instantly, click the on button once to allow it to rescan. You'll also use this button to tune the headphones into the correct station. Volume can be adjusted with the spin wheel. If the lights are not working on the headset, hold the volume button down and it will then filter through the options. To turn them off, hold down the power button again. To operate the disco ball, simply plug it in with any USB socket or a wall socket. I hope that was super helpful. If you do have any issues at all with your silent disco set, you're best emailing us at urgent@activitydelivered.com with your name and number and the problem that you're experiencing, and then we'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks!